Hello viewers, welcome to Python Programming Lecture 6. In this session, you are going to learn about operators in Python. Various operators supported by Python language are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, identity operators, and membership operators. We will see one by one in detail. First is arithmetic operators. This you know very well: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, floor division. The symbols are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, forward slash for division, percentile for modulus, two asterisk symbols for exponentiation, two forward slashes for floor division. Addition is used to find out the sum of two numbers. Subtraction is used to find out the difference. Multiplication is to find out the product of two numbers, and division gives you the quotient of that. In floating point number, if you use single forward slash, and if you want just quotient in integer terms, you will use floor division. Modulus gives you the remainder, and in order to find out the power, then you will use exponentiation. So let me explain you this with demo. So go to Python shell by typing IDLE. A is equal to, let me take 10, B is equal to some value 3. Now A plus B, what is its value? 13. A minus B, 7. A asterisk B, 30. A slash B. See, look here, you got in floating point number as I have explained you. Now A modulus B, this will give you the remainder. Next, A 2 stars B, that is for exponentiation. 10 to the power of 3 is 1000. A 2 forward slashes B is floor division. Then see, look here, 3 point some value you got, but here you will get only this integer value as the answer. So this is about arithmetic operators. Next is assignment operators. So is equal to, as you know pretty well, this is a simple assignment operator. In the same way, plus is equal to. For example, if you write A plus is equal to B, it means it is similar to A is equal to A plus B. In the same way, A minus is equal to B, if you write, it means A is equal to A minus B. This applies for all the remaining operators. This we will see one by one. So go to IDLE, which opens Python shell. Here I am taking A is equal to 5, B is equal to 2. Now this is first simple assignment operator. Now C is equal to 2, B if you take, then the value of C will be 2. That is assigned. B value is assigned to C. Now let me try A plus is equal to B. So what will be the answer? A plus is equal to B will be similar to A is equal to A plus B. A plus B is 7. So A should contain 7 now. We will see A value. So 7. Now A minus is equal to B. So what is there in A now? 5. Because 7 minus 2 is 5 here. In the same way, A star is equal to B. What is there in A? 10. So A, and we will see some value 2 we will take. A is 2. Okay. So bit operation, these are all. A is equal to 2 if I take A value. So A greater than B if you take. So here it became 0. So let me change A value. So this is how assignment operator works, and you practice remaining assignment operators also. Let me explain other type of operator, which is comparison operator. So equal to, two equal to you should use here, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So let me explain you. In Python shell, ideally, so for example, you take A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. Now we will check A equal to B. This is first comparison operator, false, because 5 is different from 10. A is not equal to B. This is true. A is greater than B. Is it true? No, false, because 5 is not greater than 10. No, A less than B. This is true. A is greater than or equal to B. No, A is less than or equal to B. Yes. So this is how comparison operators work. Next we will see logical operators. Logical operators are AND, OR and NOT. So AND returns true if both the statements are true. OR returns true if one of the statements is true. And NOT reverse the result, returns false if the result is true. So this is how logical operator works. So let me explain by taking an example. So for example, I will take here x is equal to some value 4. Now x is less than 5 and x is less than 10. So x is less than 5, true. X is less than 10, true. If both are true, then it will give you true. So let me write it in another way. X is greater than 5 and x is less than 10. This gives you false. Why? Because AND will give you true value if both are true, or otherwise even if one is false, the result will be false. In the same way, let me see for OR operator. So this is true. Okay. Even if one is false and one is true, then you will get true as answer. We will see that. Yeah, look here. And now not x is less than 5. So what is the result here? X is less than 5 is true actually. Why? Because 4 is less than 5. Not means true is given as false. Now I'll write it in another way. X is greater than 5. So true. So this is about logical operators.